Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's do a wonderful cake recipe, that is a vanilla sponge cake. Let's start. Let's go from the dry ingredients. Take a 1 cup of maida to a separate bowl and add to it a 1 teaspoon of baking powder and add half teaspoon of baking soda. Please subscribe this channel and give a like to this video and follow our channel for more videos. After sieve it well, now we can go for the wet ingredients. See, we are taking 1 cup of powder sugar, 4 eggs and 1 by 4th oil and 1 by 4th of sugar. Let's take a 4 egg and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat it well. Beat the eggs well. Add sugar. Add 1 cup of sugar powder to this egg and mix or beat well until it get fluffy. This is the main thing to get a plum cake or sponge cake to come spongy. Mix well. Now add dry ingredients to this solution and mix thoroughly. Don't go deep in mixing it, just go simply mixing. Now pour the 1 by 4th of oil into the solution. Mix it well. You can see many videos of plum cake, pastry cake designs in my channel. The upcoming video is the how to design a pastry cake, how to apply a cream to the cake. I will upload it. Now add 1 by 4 cup of milk to the solution and mix it well, and after the mixing it, you can pour the solution into the baking tray and tap it to negate the bubbles inside the solution. Be aware of tapping it. Now please put the solution into the preheated OTG, which was preheated at 170 degree for 10 minutes, and now bake this solution at 170 degree at bake mode for 30 minutes. Now it is baked completely. It looks like a spongy cake. Thank you for seeing video. Subscribe for more videos. I will uploading it very soon. Thank you for watching.